Okay, here we are, 1971 Gold Star Highway in Groton, aka Route 184. This home is a two-story colonial right in Mystic, actually, that borough of Groton. Property taxes are $5,308. We've got a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, 2-story home here. The property is a total of 1.56 acres, and I'm going to take you around the outside first, and then we'll do the interior. We've got the primary and secondary bedrooms all upstairs. This is a neat little spot right here. Just remember that. The bulkhead, remember that when we're on the lower level, but this spot right there is a 3 Seasons porch. We have a nice terraced yard right here. The terracing does make it nice and flat on the upper terrace and lower terrace. The set of stairs gets you up to the top, and we can see we've got the access right into the sunroom right here off the large deck. Check out the size of this deck. We've got a beautiful little fire pit right here for family fun in the middle of the night. The AC that we have right here, this is a brand new condenser. That condenser serves the first floor, and the home has baseboard hot water heat. So that first floor zone is actually got a booster fan going to the second floor. We've got a 2-car garage right here. We've also got a nice garden shed, circular driveway, plenty of parking right here. The wood stove, there's 2 of them in the first floor and in the basement, and that booster fan does distribute some of that heat upstairs during the winter, or the AC in the summer. So when you first come in, you've got a real nice open layout right here in terms of just multiple sight lines through the main living room, then the sunroom beyond, kitchen, which we're going to get to, upstairs. Right here to my right, I've got a full bath serving the first floor, and we're just going to go through the home in a clockwise direction. If you had just come in, needed to drop your coat, here's your coat closet. Nice little bay window right here. We got hardwood floors, built-ins in this living room. Hardwood floors definitely could use some refinishing. This is a 3 Seasons room. This 3 Seasons room has plenty of electricity and outlets. TV is being left. There is no heat or air conditioning out here. And like I said, that door goes to the exterior. Our main dining area right here is a nice big spot. And with this opening that I've got right here, you can have the table come this way, no problem. The home's got an enormous island, center island. And the neat thing, one of the things the family that's selling the home really liked was this extra seating here. So on the large butcher block island, we've got a beautiful drop zone on the other side. That's an extra freezer. You could swap it out if you want to have a beverage center right there. Nice little accent lighting. The gas range, we've got the pop-up decor range vent going to the exterior. We've got a nice French door freezer right here. How's this? Microwave oven and the wall oven built in together. This door goes right out. Get yourself to the grill quickly. And we've got the dishwasher and stainless sink to finish off the kitchen. Nice granite countertops. And here's my sight line back to the front door. We'll get to this last. This door goes to the basement. Your everyday entrance happens to be off the 2-car garage. 2-car garage is nice from a standpoint of it doesn't have any column dropping down into the center. The LVL beam picks up the load from the second floor. That X-Mark 0-turn mower does go with the home, so you're turnkey move-in ready instantly with this purchase. Here's my first of 2 fireplaces. This has a wood stove insert in it. Little doggy door right there. French doors going out to the deck. Like I said, that wall AC, it really isn't needed because we've got AC on this first floor with the new condenser making that operating. So flowing back to the second floor, we're going to go shooting right up there. Take a peek. We've got one full bath serving the second floor. Here's my booster fan. This booster fan provides distribution of wood stove heat or the air conditioning. So in this full bath right here, it's compartmentalized nicely, double vanity, and we've got a nice little storage area right here. We've got a 5-foot by 3-foot walk-in shower. Here's my commode, and this is compartmentalized so the family can break it up. This is an entrance door into my primary bedroom, which has a walk-in closet right there. This primary bedroom also has a secondary closet right here. Notice the hardwood flooring? Again, that's something that before you move in, you might want to touch up and finish. So you've got really a his-hers combination with the walk-in and reach-in closets. Secondary bedroom right here. This is bedroom number 2. And we do have the portable AC units being left by the sellers for your benefit. Nice reach-in closet right here. And this would obviously be the crew's quarters. Bedroom number 3, a little bit smaller. If you don't have a household size that's going to fill this right up, maybe it's a good office. The bedroom number 4 here in the second floor, and we do have pull-down stairs up to the attic, which is just really mechanical access. This is bedroom number 4, and it was converted to have the washer dryer up on the second floor where all of the clothes and laundry are generated. The reach-in closet right there, and that little door is a spot where there would be a basket right below it, laundry basket from the second floor hall. But this bedroom could be reclaimed because we do have a second set of laundry hookups. We're going to take a quick peek at that for you. I like the tile right as you walk in as opposed to having hardwood right to that front door. So this will finish off the tour right here, my finished lower level. What's interesting about this is I can tell you that someone spent some money here in this lower level. And you might say, how's that possible? I say, well, really, it's because of the fact that I can see that the saw cut of the original slab has happened to put in a sump pump right here. Someone at some point in time did that saw cut, and it's pretty expensive to do that. I've seen numbers $10,000, $12,000 to do it, to get proper drainage. Here's my second fireplace with a nice wood stove if you want some backup heat. Here's my boiler, oil-fired Williamson boiler. I've got electric hot water heater. My well, it is 280 feet deep. That tank is a pressure tank, a little bit oversized. We've got the spare paint for you, matching the bedrooms. We've even got a full 200 amp service right here. A couple of breaker slots still left over for you. Oil tank, almost like new. And here's my basement air handler. That generates the AC for the first floor of this home. So that's it. And actually you can see the workshop here. Plenty of ceiling height. So if you did want to do any finishes off down here, absolutely have the potential. So that is it for 1971 Gold Star Highway. I would get a hold of your favorite agent and schedule a showing ASAP.